Good morning, my YouTube family. Once again, welcome to SK Entertainment. Today, I am here with an amazing video in which I will tell you how you can get the Winter Face Glow Serum at home, which gives you 100% results. So, let's get started with the ingredients. Take an empty bowl and start adding the ingredients for preparing Winter Glow Serum. Firstly, we required 1 tablespoon of glycerine. As you know, there is an unlimited benefit of glycerine which I discussed in my previous video. You have to watch it and know how glycerine is best for your skin and hair. Next, we required 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. It is best for skin scares, blemishes, dark spots, and pigmentation. In the next video, I will briefly explain the benefit of sesame oil. Next, we required 5 capsules of fish oil. As you know, fish oil is rich in omega-3, maintains homeostasis, improves barrier function, inhibits inflammation, particularly from UV light, and most importantly promotes skin healing. And we also required 2 whitening capsules which will easily be available at any pharmacy. Last, take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now beat well, so that a smooth texture will come. Now convert this winter serum into a serum bottle and start applying. Take 2 to 3 drops and apply to your skin. Massage with soft hands. You will feel how this serum absorb into your skin and your whitening skin is appearing. It is best to use it before sleep, but this is not a hard and fast rule. You can also use it before and after makeup. After 3 to 4 days you will feel how this magical serum give you 100% result. If you like my video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you will get more useful videos.